Thinking about remodeling your kitchen in St. Petersburg, Florida? Imagine not just spending but investing in your home's value and lifestyle. It's about making strategic choices. Stay tuned as we break down the costs of kitchen remodeling and share some tips on where to save and where to invest. So, you've decided to remodel your kitchen, but what are the costs involved? The heart of your kitchen, the cabinets, can be a substantial part of your budget. Opting for high-quality materials here is a wise investment, as they withstand years of use. Then, there's the canvas of your culinary arts, the countertops. Natural stone may have a higher price tag, but its durability and timeless appeal can significantly enhance your home's value. On the other hand, the backsplash, while important for visual harmony, is an area where you can be more budget-conscious. There are plenty of affordable yet stylish options on the market that won't break your bank. Let's not forget about the expenses for a licensed general contractor. This might seem like an area to cut costs, but remember, a professional can prevent costly mistakes, ensuring your remodel goes smoothly. Remember, it's not about cutting costs everywhere. It's about making smart decisions that will add value to your home. Let's talk about cabinets and countertops. These are areas where you shouldn't skimp. High-quality cabinets and natural stone countertops are not just about aesthetic appeal, they also ensure longevity. Picture this, beautifully crafted cabinets that not only add charm, but also provide ample storage. And natural stone countertops, they give your kitchen a refined, timeless look that's also resistant to wear and tear. Investing in quality cabinets and countertops can significantly enhance your kitchen's look and feel. It's a worthwhile investment. Now, what about the backsplash? Is it worth the extra cost? Well, here's the beauty of a remodel. You can make strategic choices. The backsplash is a spot where you can opt for cost-effective alternatives without sacrificing style or charm. Choosing a cost-effective backsplash can help you save money without compromising the aesthetic appeal of your kitchen. So, there you have it, a quick breakdown of kitchen remodeling costs in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's smart to save on the backsplash, but invest in cabinets and natural stone countertops. Remember, kitchen remodeling is not just an expense. It's an investment in your home's value and your lifestyle. Make it count. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, are you ready to take the next step? If you're in St. Petersburg, Florida and thinking about a kitchen remodel, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Contact Justin at Erdman Builders today at 727-295-6787. With years of experience and a keen eye for design, Justin and his team will help you create a kitchen you'll love within your budget. So why wait? Invest in your home and in your lifestyle today. Remember, a beautiful is just a phone call away, so dial 727-295-6787 now.